afternoon gray.
Here is high wind warning information for the following areas in New Hampshire, Cheshire, Rockingham, Eastern Hillsborough, Merrimack, Sullivan, and Western and Central Hillsborough. What? West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Western and Central Hillsborough, Merrimack, Sullivan, Cheshire, Rockingham, Eastern Hillsborough, and counties. Variable at 7. When? From 9 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. Damaging winds will down trees and power lines along with tree branches. Factoring in ice accumulation Sunday afternoon, the power outage threat is significant. Travel will be difficult due to wind gusts and debris on roadways. Additional details: winds shift west tonight, gusting up to 35 miles per hour. West wind trend rapidly increase Monday morning. Peak winds begin to subside Monday evening. And now here is the latest weather summary for New Hampshire and Western Maine. Snow transitions to a weekend.
You want to quit, but have found it impossible. This is the thing. Oh!
Maybe they don't do high wind warnings.
Another storm system is
Into my mom's giant Porsche by the garage.
I guess not.
Central Massachusetts, south to State Route 2, including Manchester, Nashua, and Keene. Rest of today, sleet, freezing rain and snow late this morning, then rain, freezing rain, and sleet this afternoon. Snow and sleet accumulation around an inch. Additional ice accumulation of up to 4/10 of an inch. Highs in the mid-30s. East